बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है।
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all viewers. Our today's lecture is the work done in a gravitational field along a closed path is zero. Before starting the lecture, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future videos. So let's start our lecture. As we have discussed in our previous lecture, that work done in gravitational field is independent of path followed by the object. Let's have a quick recap of our previous lecture. If you want to see detailed lecture, then I will drop link in the description box, so you may check it out or click on the card displaying in the top right of the screen. Now let's start. You can see diagram of right angle triangle with points A, B and C. An object of mass m is placed at point A. There are three different paths for object to reach from point A to C. Direct path is from A to C and indirect paths are A to B and B to C. Now let's see what amount of work will be done while following these paths. While moving from point A to B, the result of work done is W d1, and from B to C, the result of work done is 0. In the previous lecture of work done in gravitational field is independent of path, the object was moved from point A to C. Here we will move object from point C to A, which can clearly be seen is negative of work done as compared to the object when moved from A to C. Amount of work will remain same because length of displacement or magnitude of force is not changing. So total work in closed path will become sum of work during all paths, which is 0. Here we can see that the value of work done from A to B is W d1. For B to C it is 0, and for C to A it is written over there minus W d1. So these two will cancel out and the result will become 0. So total work is 0. From this mathematical proof we can say that the field in which the work done is independent of the path followed or work done in a closed path is 0 is known as conservative field. So it has been proved that gravitational field is a conservative field. Also, the forces in conservative field are called conservative forces. Some examples of conservative forces are gravitational force, elastic spring force and electric force. And some example of non-conservative forces are frictional force, air resistance, tension in a string and normal force. Also propulsion force of a rocket and propulsion force of a motor. So this was our today's lecture. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video and learned something from it, then hit the like button and share to the others. Now we will meet in the next lecture. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.